Imeroni siebele, yerenu maka. Imeroni siebele, yerenu maka. Iwerenye ya. Iwerenye ye zorina ya. Iwerenye ya. Onye na-akwụgwọ bụ Chukwu. Meroni siebele, yerenu maka. Ay! Ay! Hey! 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 Thank you. Thank you. Yeroni severe, yerenu maka. Meroni severe, yerenu maka.
Are you alright? Yes, I'm fine. Just pitying that man. Life has been so unfair to him.
Yes, I can imagine. Someone once said a blind man and a madman are already born with death.
Why would life be so unfair to him? He would have become someone great in life if only his world was not filled with darkness. Everything about life is just dark to him. Just dark.
Let's start going home, dear, before our parents start looking for us.
How I wish he could just regain his sight. Let's just go.
Meroni sebere, yerenu maka o. Meroni sebere.
God bless you, sir.
Take
it easy, oh.
Take
it easy. Watch, watch.
Oh. Ogadinu ma o. Meroni sebere ge. Yerenu maka.
What a life.
Meroni sebere ge o. Yerenu yaka o.
What a world. What is it? What is it? Sorry. Sorry. Are you okay? Sorry. Are you okay? Are you okay?
I can see.
You can see me. You can see me.
I can see you.
Thank God you can see me.
I can see you. No. Money no.
Yes. Hey.
I can see you.
What took you so long?
Mama, there were many people at the stream, making it difficult for a little girl like me to fetch.
Thank God you fetched your water. I told you not to worry that the young shall grow. Oh? One, come and sit down. You need to rest. Oh? Let me just finish washing this clothes and I'll go and make your food for you.
Mama, I would love to go back to the stream.
But you just got back now. You need to rest. Look at you. You are even tired. Please come and sit down. No go. In the evening you will go. And can't you see that the sun is out and scorching? Come and sit and rest. Don't worry. Oh, let me quickly wash out this cloth. I'll go and make your food for you to eat. You know go?
Mama, what of Papa?
Your father. You ask as if you have ever gotten back from the stream and met your father at home by this time. Your father left at exactly 6:30 a.m. to meet Ofobike, the palm wine tapper. At the exact time he descends from palm tree, that is where he has gone to meet him. To drink, as usual.
Mommy Soma. Good morning, ma. I was saying by Ofobike, the palm wine seller.
Omega.
It has happened. Oh, Mommy Soma,
Hey!
Mommy Soma, let's go.
One day. Your father needs us. Let's go. Hey! Where is he? Hey! It is well, oh. It is well. Do they look at what you have turned yourself into? Hell. So bad, Look at what you're doing to yourself today. So bad, I know. You are singing motoka. Pick your father's cap. Pick it. Okay. Okay. Oh. There's no problem. Pick motoka. Just worry.
Hey, don't be scared, it is me, Silas. I can see now. I can see you.
Silas,
you can see. I can see clearly now. My God has done it for me.
Silas,
I can see clearly.
Who would have believed that you will ever see again after the accident?
I never believed myself too. I cannot see.
Silas,
I cannot see. I can see.
Silas.
What am I doing in the barrel? Who left you in the barrel? Who is that idiot? That fool, that nincompoop that left you in the barrel? Why will you leave me in the barrel?
An object of mockery. That is what you've turned us into in this village. Mockery! Man, so bad. There's no problem.
Hey. Why are you standing there? Come and help me out of the barrel. Are you not my daughter? Huh? Come and help me. You are looking at me. Am I not your father? Huh? You are crying. I enjoyed myself. Can you carry me?
Please, if you're done eating, you will join us at the farm. We are harvesting the cassava today for Gary.
Oh, I don't have strength for anything today. Please, let it wait for next week.
Next week?
Next week.
But that was what you said last week. Eh? I remember telling you that the cassavas are already decaying in the ground. Eh? If we don't harvest it now, that means we'll risk no harvest.
Then let there be no harvest. Let's manage what we have. Huh?
Meaning all the money we spent in cultivating that land will all be in vain? Never.
I told you I don't have strength. Won't you understand? The mania is still...
What do you mean you don't have strength? Why is it that every time I talk about going to the farm, you keep telling me, giving me excuses you don't have strength? See, you follow me to the farm, you follow me to the farm, and it must be now.
Mama, it's okay, please. I will go with you to the farm and I will assist you.
Your father should follow us to the farm because he's the head of this house. He should be the one leading us to the farm. Why is your father so lazy? Every time he wants me to do all the work in the farm alone. Anyway, even if he agrees to follow us to the farm, what will he do? Other than telling us stories.
You see, you know that I'll tell you stories. So why not allow this poor righteous man to just rest? Must I follow you to the farm?
So, Wadro, I just hope you know what you're doing to yourself. Bia, Isioma, go to the kitchen, go and get a basket and a cutlass and let's go to the farm. Leave him.
Are you going?
No, I will come and stay with you. I'm not going. Isioma, hurry up.
Isioma, you going to the farm too? I'll wait for you people. Go and come.
Is it a joke or what? What nonsense are you talking about?
Ndudi, I am not as drunk as you are. I am not.
Now, what are you saying? Back here. How will you tell me that?
I saw Silas with my eyes. With my 2 eyes. He spoke to me. He called my name. He even shook hands with me.
Okay. You can see Silas, but Silas cannot see you. Because I know Silas is blind. Silas cannot see. Okay. I know that wonders can never end. There are wonders and miracles. But Silas, I know to tell me that Silas is seeing, then it's you that is blind. I take alcohol, but my senses is intact.
Yes. Since you are doubting me.
I can't believe you.
You can't believe me.
No.
I will take you to him. You will see with your eyes that Silas can now see.
You can take me to Silas. But you cannot bring Silas to come and see me because Silas is blind. I refuse to believe you. I can't believe you. See.
This thing is just getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand.
What is that? I woke up this morning, I was tired and woke. I just want to dilute water so that I can start again.
You know,
my friend, Silas is blind.
I can't believe that all the time we wasted at the farm, of all the cassava we harvested, it's just only but few that are yet to decay. All thanks to your father. I pleaded with him. I begged him to allow us to go to the farm and harvest our cassava. He kept promising and promising. Now, we don't have anything to feed on.
Mama, Obinigwe will provide. Inugo.
How will Obinigwe provide for us when your father has ruined the chances of receiving favor from him? I am so sad and disappointed. Tell me now, where do we go from here? How do we survive?
Mama, remember I persuaded you for us to go alone since Papa was not coming. But you insisted on waiting for him.
Why won't your father come with us? Is he not the head of our family? The responsibilities of the family is on him, and yet he's trying to push it on me. I am sick and tired of that man as a husband.
Mama, patience, patience.
Me, I'm running out of patience. I'm running out of patience. Yeah, Ebelechi. Why is this look on your face?
My sister is my brother's pregnant wife. I learned that she has been in labor since last night. Hey. Up to now, she has not delivered. She's already tired of pushing. I don't know what to do.
They should operate on her now. Why waste time?
Operate? There is no money. Hey, so this is how my brother will become a widower.
God forbid. I wish I have something I can do to help.
Worry not, Ma. She will deliver safely.
God.
And I wish you success.
Thank you, God. Thank you. Please, God bless you. I appreciate. Thank you. Let me be running along. Thank you.
I wish I have something to do to help her. And her brother loves his wife so much. God, please help them. Please go, Biko. I'm so tired. Now, what is going on? So if you hadn't come back, you wouldn't have even told me you're leaving. You didn't even tell me you're traveling.
Papa, is everything all right?
Everything is not all right. I'm leaving this house for you and your mother. I am tired. There's hardly anything I do that pleases you people. You hate me so much that you don't even care about my welfare. Nothing. What have I done wrong? If you hate me this much, then what am I doing with you people?
But how, Papa? We've been the ones bringing you back home whenever you're drunk.
You see?
Do you know how much strength I waste in carrying a full-fledged old man like you? With all this weight, do you know?
This is just the reason why I don't want to stay here again. Because you people talk to me without respect. Imagine my own daughter telling me when I'm drunk. Imagine you telling me that you carry me.
Do you treat any of us with respect in this house? Do you? You said you want to leave. Leave, oh! But please don't forget to tell anybody that you meet on the way. What a coward you are and how you abandon your responsibilities. Yes! Please don't aggravate my frustration. No. Don't you even try it. Because we would not harvest anything at the farm today.
Huh? What is she talking about? What harvest?
When we got to the farm, we found out that the cassavas are all rotten.
Hey, what happened? Eh?
We brought back home nothing but hunger.
Hey. Oh, what's this nonsense now? What kind of planning? What's this now? Eh? So what do we do now?
Another loan? Eh? Another loan?
Yes, another loan, please. I promise you I'll pay back next week. When I sell my cash crops, I'll make some money. I'll come and settle whatever I'm owing. Please.
Cash crop?
Yes.
But you told me that the cassava that you and your wife collected money to plant last season, that they were all rotten.
It's true. Hey, I forgot. It's true. God will never forgive that person that sold those cassava stems to us. What kind of species was that? A species that cannot last more than 1 year in the ground before rotting. Is it a good one? You just reminded me. I'm so angry.
Ndudi, I don't have money to give to you.
Hey, please now, God will provide.
God will provide what?
Money.
I am saying I don't have money to give to you, and you're saying God will provide. By the way, the ones I gave to you, how do you intend to pay?
Just calculate all of them. I'll pay. Which one is better? Which one will you prefer? I and my wife and child to die, or you to just give us more money to eat and survive? Which one will you prefer? Please.
Ndudi, this our friendship is becoming more of an inconvenience than pleasure. Huh?
Hey. No, it is not true. Pleasure we've always been having. Inconvenience, yes, what are friends for? See, if you want me to kneel down, I will kneel down. But I can't kneel down. You remember now, you know now, my late father was an Ozo.
I knew you were going to say it. Also, every time we are talking, you always remind me that your late father was an Ozo. An Ozo that died without leaving a kobo for his only son. Is that one an Ozo?
No, he left some money. He left some money.
Anyway,
my friend,
I will see what I can do. I will see what I can
hey,
do.
my good friend.
Believe me, that's how you come borrowing, smiling. When it's time to pay, you won't.
I will pay. Will you give it to me now? Let's go now. Let's go to the house. Give me some money. My good friend.
Mama, what if Papa had left?
I wouldn't have racked my brain or blink thinking about him. Never!
But he's your husband.
What sort of a husband is he? Eh? Is he the husband that brings me nothing but shame in this village? I'm better off without a husband.
Mama, you can't say that. Okay, wait. See, I know Papa can be really annoying sometimes.
Most times. Most times!
Okay. Most times. But I still believe that all will be well with him in no time. He's just frustrated over his collapsed business.
Is he the only one suffering the hard times? Is he? Eh? Why will he resort to drinking? Why? If he had used the money he spent on alcohol to buy hot food in this house, will heaven fall? I'm asking you, will the heaven fall?
I understand, Mama. But we just have to be patient with him.
Patient with him? I'm trying. Am I not trying? Eh? I am trying to be patient with him. Eh? By now we would have been processing garri with the cassava we got from the farm. But you saw what happened. All because of your father. You saw it. Your father does not deserve to eat food in this house. He doesn't deserve it.
has stayed. It has stayed.
You're here.
Then do
Look at Salas. Salas. Oh, thank God. I heard what happened. Now you can see.
It is God, though. It is God.
How did it happen?
It happened like a miracle. All of a sudden, Omemu Vam Nanya.
Just like that. Nanka is going. So you see me? Hey, I'm happy. Madam China. Kedu Mubecha, Madam China. Who is there? Come and serve my friends. So you can see me.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking? What are you thinking? You're thinking money. What are you thinking? What can I think but to celebrate my friend that was blind and now can see? Then you can celebrate him. That's what you can think. Madam China, let's celebrate him. Bring
the drink.
Bring the drink, I
beg. I like it. I like it in my body. Hey,
look at Salah. Blind man before.
I can see that.
Oluchi, you have to calm down.
Isioma, you don't understand. I can't afford to disappoint my parents again. They suffered so much in paying my school fees, and yet I kept on failing my exams.
You will not fail this one. Trust me.
I had high hopes of sitting with you in the examination, so that I'll pass.
I wish I could come to the examination, but my parents couldn't afford to pay the fees. So I'll have to be patient.
Why is life so cruel to you? Just look at you, a brilliant girl prospect. I wish help will come.
I wish so, dear. Go to the examination and make me proud. I know you will excel. I trust you.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. You will have a reason to smile soon. Inugo, come here.
What is Nawa, my friend? What is biting you? Nawa. What is it?
I want to ask you something.
What is it?
I want you to give me straight answer. From where did you get that money that you used in paying for those drinks?
I got it from my pocket.
I am not joking. I am not joking. I don't want to believe that it was the money you borrowed from me that you used in paying for that drink.
Don't you have faith again? God will give you money and you borrow me.
Oh my God.
Is it not so?
Ndudi, you mean I borrowed you money to take care of your family and you lavish it at that bar? Ndudi.
But let me ask you a question. Every time I keep talking about my wife, my family, are you sleeping with my wife?
Sleeping with my mom.
Listen, let me tell you. You will regret this. You will regret it.
Wait.
This will be the last time I will ever give you money.
Wait, let me talk to you. See, let's talk business. If you like my wife, no problem. I can share my wife with you. All I want to do, give me small money. You share my wife. Or if you like, pay me. Collect her.
Me, share your wife.
Collect her.
There's nothing I did not beg this woman to borrow me money for your school fees. But she refused.
Mama, do you blame her? There is hardship everywhere. Trust me.
I know. But I told her I'll pay her back by month end. She still refused.
Mama, you and I know there is no way you can pay her before month end. The Gary you would have sold to make money isn't here.
But I would have worked for people and they will still pay me. How can I bring a child like you into this world without affording to train her in school?
Mama, that is not your responsibility.
You've seen it. You don't have a father. What else do you want me to do?
Mama, I have a father and I know all will soon be well. Even if I don't write the exam this year, I will write it next year. We can't be ahead of our God. Can we?
Oh, come. I'm so proud of you. And I haven't stopped thanking Osebolowa for giving me a gift like you. Thank you so much, Mem. Thank you. Thank you.
Look, if you don't give me that money, I will show you madness here.
Avan, what nonsense are you talking about? What nonsense?
You call it nonsense? Nonsense! Avan. Oh, you don't even remember you owe me money.
Avan, I don't want trouble.
I don't want trouble either. I don't want trouble either. And that's why you need to pay me my money.
Avan, as you can see, I'm very high. I want to go home.
You are high, Ndudu. If you think you are the only one who drinks and get high, let me tell you, I drink, I get high too. Oh. And if you say you are high, sorry, because I am the highness. I am the reason people get high.
Leave me. Let me go. Will your money come out when you're holding me? Will your money come out? You're holding me 10 money. I got money. Your money come out.
I'm no longer holding you.
This is called public assault. Assaulting me in the public. Who told you to embarrass me? How much am I on you? I'll call police. I'll call army. I'll call NEPA. No. They will arrest you.
Oh, Ndudi, you think I am joking? Ndudi, you think I am joking? You think I'm... Where's my money?
I'm drunk. I'm drunk.
Mama, you mean people have become so lazy that they can't do anything for themselves anymore? How can someone tell you to pick this small melon seed? The person cannot pick it or what?
It's not just this melon seed though. There are still some in the kitchen. It's still to our own benefit too, because I get paid for it.
But Mama, it's surprising how the world is changing. Very soon, people will start paying others to cook for them.
That one is already happening, you know. Look at this girl. People now pay people to bait them.
Mama, we have lost it. We have lost it. I just pray the world heals from this laziness.
My dear, the poor needs to feed. So that the rich will continue to need help from us.
Let me watch this.
Now, what happened?
Papa, what happened?
Obinigwe imela onye na-eme ekele gị onye ọma. Obinigwe imela imela Obinigwe imela imela Obinigwe imela
No problem. Adiba, it's not your fault. Hey, Mama.
Papa, you have not talked to me or my mother about what happened to you. Did you get into a fight?
My daughter, don't worry yourself. Don't bother. It's something I can handle. Please. Hey!
Papa, I'm your daughter and you are my father. Whatever matters to you matters to me as well. Please, tell me what happened.
My daughter, I said you shouldn't worry. For all I know, even if it's the last thing I will do, I'll make sure you marry a rich man. That you marry into a rich family. You cannot suffer poverty, God forbid. Poverty is a sin, it's a crime. I've suffered poverty, and I know it's not the best. I will not even wish my enemy to be poor.
Papa, you know some people are responsible for their poverty.
What do you mean by that?
I'm saying you should consider going back to...
No. You've come again. Don't go there. Please. I beg of you. I've had enough troubles. I don't need any more. Not from you. Please, get me water to drink. I would have taken the coconut water, but you can see, it's spoiled. Will you give me water or not?
But Papa...
I said please. I beg of you. Don't go there. Leave it. If you give me water, give me. If you won't give me water, please, just let me be. Please. Thank you.
Okay, fine.
Thank you. Hi.
I've told you not to worry about your father's behavior. That has been his way of life. Just forget about him.
Is that the reason why he cannot confide in any of us? Are we not family?
Thank you. You still have not told me why you are rejoicing and dancing.
My sister, my brother's wife, she was later delivered of 2 bouncing baby boys. Twins! Oh, yes, oh. Ugochi, if you see how healthy these babies are, Obinigwe, I thank you.
I'm so happy.
After 7 years. Hey, Ugochi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years of marriage.
Good.
But today, Obinigwe, God has finally answered my brother's cries. Thank you,
Obinigwe.
I'm so happy. That's good news. Thank you, Obinigwe.
Thank you. You see, I came so that you will rejoice with me. And thank you so much, Ugochi. Especially, you see, thank you, my dear. Do you know, it was after the good luck prayers that Isioma gave to me that my brother's wife delivered. Father, I thank you.
So happy.
Ma, please. I did not pray. I only wished.
But he honored your wish. Obinigwe honored your wish. That's the most important thing. He honored your wish. And my brother's wife delivered. Check it out. He has done for me. He has done for me. He has done for me. He has done for us.
Isioma, guess what?
What?
Oh, guess now.
I don't know what you're talking about. What?
Your prayers worked.
What prayers?
I mean, you said I'll write the exams very well, right? I didn't believe you, but when I got to the exam hall, I wrote everything with confidence.
You're serious?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
And now I can beat my chest and tell you the exam is already a success. Thank you.
But why are you thanking me? I did nothing.
I know, but you spoke like a prophet when you said, I'll smile. In short, you're a prophet. Or, in short, I don't even know the words.
Please. I am Isioma, the one you know as your friend. Biko. Well, I was just hurrying up to the stream and...
Wait. I will help you carry it though.
Yeah,
let's go.
Madonna Kwanuna. Nodi. Onye Nodi. Kedu?
What are you doing here, Enya?
Is your husband at home?
No, he's not. And I forbid you ever stepping your feet into this compound.
Forbid me stepping in feet to your compound. That is because your husband did not tell you how committed he is to me. If he had, you wouldn't open this your thankless mouth to ask me not to come in.
Do you know you are the worst friend any man can have? You are a terrible friend. Yes. I'm ashamed of you.
Me?
That is what you are, terrible friend.
Where is that coming from? Did your husband tell you to insult me?
You claim to be a good friend. What advice do you give to him? All you do is to go from one bar to another, drinking with him. You fell on the medical. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
For what? For what will I be ashamed of my beautiful self? In fact, listen, I will brook this insult just this time. And that is because your husband is a good friend of mine. Are you saying your husband hasn't been telling you how I've been of help financially to him?
You give him money?
Listen, if I tell you how much your husband is owing me, you won't just be crying, but you will use these your tears to clean my dirty slippers.
He never told me. But if what you're saying is true, why hasn't he used part of the money to take care of me, his wife and his daughter? Why?
Is this supposed to be my business? Is it? Tell him I came.
Duty. Hey! What kind of a man is this? Oh, what did I get myself into? That married husband. Oh.
You scared me.
Don't be afraid.
And who are you?
I am Ogechi and I want us to be friends.
But you're not my mate.
I know, but please. Please. Thank you. So tell me how it feels to be so special.
I'm not special.
Though I am but a child, but there has never been a day that passes without me hearing my parents how they wish you were their daughter.
Well, that's wrong. They should be happy to have you as their daughter. Anyway, I am not special, and that's final.
Ndode, so you think you can run? You are running, Okwaya? Ndode, I can't make to if I catch you. You must pay me my money. Keep running like a child. Shameless man. Thank God.
Please, Isioma, please.
Oh, Gechi, what do you want from me?
I want to be like you so my parents will be proud of me as yours.
Did I tell you that my parents are proud of me? Be careful of what you wish for, my dear friend. Okay, just go back home and be a good girl that you are. I'm sure they might change their mind.
Please, Isioma, please.
I don't know what you want from me. I'm sorry I can't help you, Ogechi. I don't know how to.
Isioma, please. Please. Isioma, please.
This house today. No nonsense. You are leaving this house. I've had enough.
Mama, what's going on?
Your father is leaving this house today. And don't ask me why. Don't just ask me why. Rubbish. This is the only thing he has. Radio. This is the only thing he has, oh. He doesn't have anything in this life. Then your radio.
Mama, you have spoiled Papa's radio.
I told you not to get yourself involved in this. Just stay out of this. Stay out of this.
But Mama, why did you even take this decision? You have spoiled Papa's radio.
Radio, the only thing he has. Let me see you and this radio inside this house again.
Oga, you're not going anywhere until you pay me. Give me that money. You're not going anywhere at all. You cannot live here. So give me that money.
What nonsense is this?
Oga, pay me. Give me.
What are you doing? Assuming Marachana is here, will Marachana do this thing you're doing?
She will collect her money.
Your mother will never do this. Your mother will never do this.
Oga, give me that money.
I know your mother.
Give me that money before you leave.
Let me go.
You will give me. You're not going anywhere. Give.
You see?
Oh, you even collect some. Come back here, Joe. Give me that money before you leave here. Give me. You're not going anywhere today.
How much is the money, sir?
35.
35?
Yes.
Only 35?
35. Give me. Only 35.
Let me give you the money.
What are you doing?
Remove your hand so that I can bring it down.
Okay. Give me that money. I'm waiting for you. Hey, you're not a wabi. Just go. You think you are smart? You will come back to this shop. You will come back and meet me.
If you see what I will do to Ndudi, any ear that hears it will tingle. I am telling you the truth. Ndudi has taken my friendship for granted. He has abused it. And I will show him the other side of engineer.
Hi. Calm down. Calm down.
Me, calm down.
Calm down.
I am telling you that this person has taken my kindness for foolishness. And you're telling me calm down.
See, let me tell you. Whatever Ndodi did with the money you gave him should not bother or concern you. As far as he'll pay you back. You gave it to him as a loan, not dash.
I understand. See, Silas, I understand what you're saying. But let me explain to you. You know, you've been blind for a long time now. And you have lost touch of so many things. So many changes in the village. Ndudi is no longer the person you used to know. So much has changed about him that he hardly fend for his family. He has become so lazy that even to walk, Ndudi cannot walk. I have been the one assisting him with loans just for him to take care of his family. Unfortunately, he wasn't doing it.
See, calm down. I will talk to Ndudi myself. I will talk to him. And I believe after talking with him, he will pay you your money. But my advice, desist from giving him further loans. Don't give him again until he finishes paying the one he's owing you.
I will not. I will never give him Sissy until he finishes all his debts with me.
Don't give him again. He will pay. I will handle him. Don't worry.
What is my bag doing outside? Who brought my bag outside? Ugochi, Ugochi.
You are not
What
welcomed
is
in
my
this
father doing
house.
outside?
You are not welcomed in this house.
I am not welcome in this house. In my father's house. Says who?
Me.
Who are you and what are you in my father's house?
Engineer, your friend, came here today. He told me how he has been lending you money. The money you don't even spend on your wife or on your daughter. Eh? Isama has been sent out of school because you cannot pay her school fees. All you do is to drink from one bar to another. Eh? The money your friend lent to you out of compassion. Ndodi, ha! Ha, Gi!
Engineer has no right to come here and gossip me with you. Why? Is he your boyfriend?
It's all he has been saying to me. Are they not true?
No matter what you said or what you think, is that enough reason to bring my bag outside the house, in my own father's house? Ndudi, I am the first son.
Ndudi, I'm tired of you as a husband. I am tired.
But Ndudi, I'm tired of you as a wife. Go to your father's house.
No.
Why?
You are the one to leave this house for me. You are no longer needed here. Leave this house, Ndudi. Leave this place.
I cannot leave my father's house. You have a father. You have a house. Pack your thing. Go back to your father's house.
No! Since you've been the one always telling us that you want to leave the house, you want to leave the house. Now I am the one telling you to leave the house by myself. Leave this place, Ndudi.
Even if I leave my father's house, I will leave my father's house to come back to my father's
You
house.
can never come back to this house.
Get out of my way.
Get out from
where? You
where?
have no right to tell me to leave here. The only person that can tell me to leave this house, the person is not born. My father is dead. My father is not alive. He cannot tell me to leave his house. What happened to my radio? Eh? What happened to my radio? Come and pick my radio for me. This woman.
You are not going anywhere. I said leave. 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 Ngwa. Carry your things. Leave. Leave.
You want me to leave my father's house?
Let me see how you enter this house. Leave this house. Ndudi, leave this house. Leave this house. Leave this house for me, Ndudi. Ndudi, leave this house. Leave this house.
I will not leave. I will sleep here.
Sleep
in
there.
my father's house.
Onye iberibe. Ngozi, my sister. Hey, you know how I ran out of the house?
Yes.
When my brother called me over the phone that he was about to lose his wife and their unborn child. In short, the way when the Mwoke sounded, he has already given up.
Yes, you said
and there was no hope in his voice. Hey, do you know, I was on my way going and I met Ndode's wife and the daughter.
You mean Ugochi?
Ugochi. Ugochi. I met her with Isioma, the daughter, on the way. Then I told them what happened. You know, this Isioma wished me well. Wished me well. And I continued. Do you know the irony of it? Before I go to the hospital, my sister-in-law had already delivered 2 bouncing baby boys.
Tell me something. Now my suspicions has been confirmed. Yes, I knew it.
Ngozi, I don't understand you.
There is something about that girl, Isioma. There is something. Do you know there was a day I was discussing with the mother?
Okay.
I was telling her how things have been difficult for me and my husband.
Okay.
And she was also telling me how they've been struggling, my sister.
Okay.
Which later she told her daughter Isioma to go and bring melon seeds for me. Which she did. When she brought those melon seeds, she gave it to me and wished me well. My sister is thanked her. With nothing in my mind, though. Just, you know, when you give somebody something.
Yes.
Lo and behold, my sister, my husband's business there booming again. Not to talk about that. He completed the house he was building.
Go baby!
Hey.
Are you saying that girl is not ordinary?
Is it that she has power she doesn't know about? Or Obinigwe answered my prayers whatsoever? But I know there is something special about that girl. There is. Yes.
Whatever.
There is something.
Whatever. Let Obinigwe take the glory.
Ndudi! Where is this shameless man? Where is that shameless man? You, where's your father? Ndudi, I am here today.
Yes.
Oh, Let me see what will stop me from doing. Where is that shameless man you call your husband?
He owns you, right?
Yes, and I'm not leaving this compound if he doesn't pay me my money. Today he will see the beast in me. Go in and tell him today. Go in and tell him now, because I must leave this compound with my money. No, it's too much. What kind of shameless man is that?
Oga, my husband is not at home. Oh? But I prefer you just save this your energy that you use in shouting till you meet him. You know, go?
Oh, you actually think I am joking? Go in there and call him. If not, I will go in there and pick up all his valuables. Anything I can sell to get my money back.
You do what?
I said I will go in and pick his property.
You cannot do that! Go in and pick whose person's property. Then how do you know that we have such property in this house?
That is why I need to go in. Because when I go in, I will know.
Did he tell you that he has property in this house? Do you know how managed we got the properties in this house?
I don't care about him, but he has the things he used. Go inside and get me the thing he used. Whatever he uses in this house, it is his property.
Come on, go in and let me see. Go in, let me see. Go and get it, let me see.
You think I'm joking?
Okay, don't let me hit you. I said Ndudi doesn't have anything in this house.
Then go in there and get me whatever you think belongs to him.
It's all right. I can go in and get you his the property he has, his clothes.
Is it clothes?
Yes.
What will I be doing with that his stinking clothes?
I don't know. That is what he has.
No. I need to collect my money. I need something reasonable to collect my money. My business is going down. I need money to support it back.
Sir, I know you are angry, but my father is not around. Besides, he doesn't have the money. I just wish your business would start flourishing. You don't deserve to suffer for doing good. Please, be patient with my father. I'm sure he will pay soon. Inugo.
Oh, imagine that shameless man giving birth to a wonderful and reasonable daughter like this. Because of this, I will go now. But I will be back in 2 weeks' time. Tell him, no matter what. This time, even if your daughter is here, I will collect my money. I will come. Tell him, Wakwaya. Nonsense man. Nzuzu.
Have you seen the kind of shame and disgrace your father brings to us? Have you seen why I said your father should leave? Have you seen it?
Okay.
You frightened me.
I need to have a word with you.
Original butter pie. International butter pie.
Bring it. Let me buy the international butter pie. Hey. Hey. How are you?
I'm fine.
How is sales going now?
We thank God.
And your children?
They are fine. They are fine.
I need butter pie.
How much? Ne, how are you?
Give me 300 naira.
Okay. 300. Hey. I will 100 butter pie. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let me get your money for you. No problem. Hey.
How are you?
Fine.
How is school?
Fine.
You didn't go today?
No, today is Saturday.
Don't mind me. My head is full. A lot of things on my mind.
Hey, no. Take your money, oh.
Hi. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you for supporting me in this my business.
It's so bad.
God will bless you.
And bless you too.
Hi.
Oh.
Dalo. Thank you so much.
One God, oh.
No, I wish you success.
Hey, Nne. Thank you so much. Dalo ezigbo nwa. Ngwa ka nje.
One, oh.
International butter pie.
Thank you. Thank you, no. Mama, you always buy butter pie for me, even when you know I've already eaten.
Yes, well, I have to patronize that woman. In as much as we are all suffering hard time, but there are people we are better than. Do you know that that bucket of butter pie she's carrying, that she hawks up and down under this scorching sun, that she does not get more than 100 naira gain after selling it?
What?
Honestly.
Are you serious?
Very serious. You know, that woman has 4 children that depends on her. And she's a widow.
Oh no. Poor woman.
I pity her.
I wish we could do more things for her than just buying from her.
You know, sometimes I just feel like giving her money without collecting anything.
We'll start doing that henceforth. I mean, I can sacrifice this butter pie for her sake. It's not easy at all. I can imagine what she's going through. I just wish a helper would come help her soon. The responsibility is too much on her.
I pray so. I pray a helper comes, okay? Go and eat your butter pie. Let me see a friend. I'm coming. I won't be long, oh?
Oh, God, leave me now, leave me. Why dragging myself like this? Leave me alone. Warn him, oh, warn him. Why dragging myself?
Today, I don't want to have issues with you. Winanu, Engineer told me everything, and I must say that you're a very bad friend. The time for such rubbish is over. Anamiana, better tell him when and how you plan to pay this money. Tell me, Kanano.
Leave myself first, leave myself. 1, it is not your money. 2, I did not borrow anything from you. 3, I don't have any business with you. So why are you drinking pepper soup in the COVID of another man?
Don't let me slap you now.
Listen, it's my money. I need my money. And I need it before 7 days. Before 7 days. If I don't get that money, I will teach you when you want the money.
But you said 7 days. 7 days now, isn't that what you said? So why are you jumping up and talking about 7 days? 7 days, you come and talk to me.
7 days?
7 days.
7 days.
Get out.
Before you know now.
Get out. 7 days. Is it 7 days today?
You think it's eternity?
Don't worry. You see.
He said 7 days. 7 days. You're jumping like monkey. Now, pepper soup na corona. What nonsense is that one? When is 7 days? It's not 7 days yet. Are you the first person I'm owing in this village?
Good evening. I was actually going to your house. Thank God I met you here now. Udo Zubu Udo di Bia Ezubu Udo di. It's just about Isioma, your daughter.
Isioma, what has she done?
Ugochi, Isioma has not done anything wrong. And everybody in this community knows that she's a loving, humble and respectful girl. In short, her good heart is next to none. No wonder Obinigwe favors her and listens to her voice alone.
I don't understand.
Ugochi, everybody's attesting in the village that your daughter Isioma brings luck to people.
Luck? Did you say luck?
Uchechi told me that yesterday. Ngozi confirmed it. You know, I sat down and thought about it. And I remembered how my brother's wife miraculously gave birth to her set of twins after Isioma wished me well. That your daughter Isioma is a special child. Yes.
Chelugodi, you mean my own daughter Isioma, the one you know, goes about the village with good luck, charm and what?
Exactly. Wait, Ugochi, this is a serious issue. I'm not joking about it.
You are serious?
Yes.
You mean you're serious?
I am serious about it. Ugochi.
Good luck.
Engineer Salas, who are they to threaten me in this village? What can they do to me? Me, a whole me. This battle is between me and them. I'll show them. I will show them. If they don't take time, I'll jail them. I'll send them to prison. I swear I'll do it. Hi.
Papa, welcome back.
Give me my food.
I'll soon get it, but tell me what happened. But Papa, tell me what happened.
Is it not in here? And Salas. They saw me on the way and seized me as if they want to kidnap me. Where has it become a crime to borrow money from somebody? Where has it become a crime to loan somebody money? Why is their own different? Eh? Why would they be embarrassing me as if I committed any special crime? Are they the only ones that loaned money to people or borrowed money to people? Why is it like that? See, if they threaten me like this anymore, I will not pay that money. I swear to God, let heaven fall. I will not give them that money. I swear with my life. Imagine they threaten your father. For what? How much is it after all? Why would they threaten me like that? What an insult. I will not pay them that money. Let them go to hell.
Papa, when you asked him for that money, did he ever hesitate in giving you?
It's not what I'm talking about. It's not what I'm talking about. You don't understand.
If he didn't hesitate, that means you're not being a good friend. And Obinigwe is unhappy with you.
Will you go inside and get me my food? What is your own? Do you ever have anything in your head? Do you know anything? You don't know anything. You're just like your mother. I'm talking of something you're here talking about Obinigwe. Eh? Is it not to eat and go to the train? Do you know any other thing? Eh? Do you know how to do curry? Do you know how to boil rice? Boil yam? What is it you know? Come on, go and get me my food and you are talking nonsense.
But Papa, you should make peace with him.
Come get out of this place. Come get out of before I bust out your eyes. Nonsense. Everybody's just annoyed.
I still don't get it. My daughter now a good luck charm? Is this a joke or what? But Ebele sounded so serious. Could it be my daughter has been affected unknowingly by evil forces? I really need to find out the real truth. I have to go back to the house and find out what is happening.
Mama, I don't understand.
Are you saying you don't feel anything as in?
As in what, Mama?
Paz. You mean you don't feel or think you have any powers?
I don't remember having any power or powers. I don't understand where this is coming from. Or is there anything you're not telling me?
No.
Mama.
Is your father at home?
Mama.
Okay. With what people are saying, they said you have a good luck charm. That, I mean, whenever you wish people well, it comes to pass.
And you believe them?
I am surprised and confused too. But with what I heard people you wished well say, they go out and come back happy and thankful.
And you think I turned around their fortune? Mama, Pico, I need to have my siesta. I don't understand what you're talking about, Pico.
Enyina, I will deal with Enyina in this village. I'll mess him up. I'll make sure I mess him up.
For what? For asking for his money?
He's not asking for his money. He's demanding for his money.
It is his money. Whichever way he like, let him demand for it. Give him his money. When you were borrowing the money, what were you expecting? Go and give him his money.
And where will I get it to give to him? Where will I get it? Do you have money to?
That same place you squandered it at the beer parlor. Go there and get the money and pay him back. Yes, he has every right to threaten you. And I will even tell him to do more. Let him threaten you and take whatever thing he wants to do. Let him do it to you.
Now you're showing yourself. It is called DVD. They play, they show. Now you're showing yourself. Now you're showing yourself. I've always suspected that you have something dealing with Enyina. And now you're trying to prove it. So what you're doing now is for me to put me aside so that you now go and marry Enyina. Is that not what you're planning?
I don't know what you're talking about. In fact, I don't even know why I'm having this conversation with you. Better don't go there and disgrace yourself that you're making report at the police station. Why do you have this money? Every time you like spoiling somebody's mood. Nonsense.
Advisor, I shouldn't go to police station to report you and Enyina. That's what you're planning. I'll go to police station. I'll report you and Enyina that both of you are doing something. Hey!
What can I say unto Obinigwe? All I have to say is thank you, Lord.
It's like someone bought all your meat pie before getting to the market square.
Name somebody bought all my butter pies. But that's not all. Biakene, Obinigwe. Do you remember that my late husband's only land at Amagugu?
Oh, yes. That one he left for you and the children.
Yes.
At that isolated place.
Yes. Just when I thought the land is of no value to me again, somebody called me and said that he needs the land for one project like that. He was begging me, Wakego, ordinary me, to sell the land for him at the rate of 3 million naira.
What?
I thought it was a joke until he gave me a check of 3 million naira.
Hey! Hey! Do for me what you've done for her, Bikonu.
Come. Are you joking or what? Nkejika Ugochi, Nkejika. The river of blessing flows in your household. And you're here disturbing Obinigwe.
I don't understand. Okay, Kezi.
Come. Don't tell me you don't know that my happiness today is because of your child. Her good wish to me changed my life and the lives of so many of our people who are testifying. You are blessed. Your family is blessed. Isioma, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let me go. Gucci. Let me Nai, please help me and thank your daughter Isioma. Please thank her for me. Let me go and tell everybody the good news. Everybody must hear my good news. Hey, all I have to say is thank you, Lord.
Tell me what you people are hiding from me. What is that thing that you're hiding from me in this house? Tell me now.
I'm confused. I don't understand what you're talking about. What is it?
Then let your daughter understand what I'm talking about to answer me. Isioma, what is it that you people are hiding from me? What?
Something like what?
You're asking me. A woman just left here and said she's not the only one that partook in the blessings you're sharing freely. And you kept it from me. What blessings are you sharing?
Papa, I'm confused. It was until today that Mama told me what is going around this village, saying that I have powers which I don't know of.
I would have dismissed what I heard people say about this, but they kept coming forth with evidences, and the coincidence is just too much. Even Wakego, the butter pie seller, she's not a millionaire, and they are all saying that what our daughter said to them made it possible.
How?
That is the question I'm asking till now.
All you have to do is, if you have any brother, sister, uncle, any of your relation at all that you want to help, please take them to this daughter. All she needs to do is just wish them well, and it will be well with them.
Just like that. By the way, Wakego, so you're not a millionaire.
Hell! My life has changed, though. Just look
at for you, not be so
my ordinary me. Hey, my children will now attend the best schools in town. Hey, whoa. Isioma has wiped away my tears. Isioma has wiped away my tears. Chai!
Wait, Wakego. Are you saying this guy is this powerful? You know, she did similar thing to my brother's wife. And so many other people. And now you...
Do you know that her parents don't even know of her past?
Are you serious?
They should be so dumb not to know the kind of a person they have as a daughter. True.
In that case, I have to speak with Ugochi immediately. You know, so that...
Milonia. Wakego.
My daughter, please, wish me luck. I want to use this money to play Bet Naija. Just wish me luck.
But Papa, gambling is not good.
Just wish me well. I want to make money to help the family. Just wish me well.
But Papa, I've told you I'm not a magician. I don't know how to perform magic or miracle.
Wanyama, please let me beg your daughter. Let her do as I said, please, so that I'll make money to help the family. I want to play Bet Naija. Let her bless me.
I wonder the kind of Bet Naija you want to go and play this morning. You can't even wait for the day to break. Nembiko, if there's anything you do for him, please do for him.
Okay, fine. I wish you luck. I just want to tell you, this is not what you ought to be doing. I advise you go back to your shoemaking business.
God forbid. Why are you this wicked and uncaring? You help others, you pray others, they make money. Now I'm asking you to bless me so that I have money to help my family. You're saying what you're saying. Nonsense.
Papa, I've already wished you luck with whatever thing you want to do with the money you're holding on your hands.
I was even on my way to your house. Have you heard the news?
The news? Oh, Ndudi's daughter.
Yes! The news is all over the village. But all I can see is opportunity.
Opportunity. I was even planning to go to Ndudi and beg him, apologize to him. Let me see if he can forgive me and be my friend again. That will give me opportunity to get closer to the daughter. Then she will bless me.
Hi. Are you trying to tell me that with all this your height, you are this stupid and daft?
So that's an insult.
No, it's a question. So you mean you cannot see the bigger picture? Wait. Let me on plasma for you now. So you cannot see what I am seeing. You cannot see the opportunity I am seeing here.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Hey! Oga, shine your eyes! This is your time to shine. I have a plan. I am your hand. I'm listening.
Now that your father is out, I want us to have a mother and daughter discussion, heart to heart. Now that you are fully aware of your powers, and you choose to keep quiet about it, it's okay. At least because of your father. You know how greedy he can be.
Mama, I don't know of any powers. I swear.
There's no need for all of that. Your father is not around. He has gone out. Yeah? It's just you and I. And I want us to be honest with each other. Oh, when I heard of this, your powers, I was so happy that my chi has finally come to answer me. Yes. You know, with these powers, we won't go hungry again. What I'm saying is this. You see this, your father, he will want to keep you by himself, all to himself, because he's greedy. What I want to tell you now is for you to start avoiding him. Resist him when he comes.
Mama! Nobody is using me. I don't know what you're talking about.
I so much like the way you are denying this. At least it will keep your father away. What I want now is for you to tell me how you got this your powers so that I can get mine too. Then we'll use it and control our destiny.
Mama, you are disappointing me. I don't know of any powers. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm sorry, but I can't continue with this discussion. Oge. Oge. Why are you here? Your parents have been looking for you since morning.
I don't want to return to them.
Why?
I already told you, and I don't expect you to understand.
Okay, I understand why you don't want to go back to them. I wish there is something I can do. But please, you have to go back to them. They need you.
They don't.
I'm sure they'll be restless by now. Please, you have to go back to them.
Will you help me with your powers if I go back to them?
Okay, I will. But you see, if you want your parents to love you, you just have to be a good child. Let your heart be as pure as the spring water. Harboring no evil or grudge, Obinigwe sees and blesses people. Turn a new leaf henceforth and see how Obinigwe will help.
Hey, Nne. Hey. As in, I've been looking for you since like American visa. Nebiko, I need you to bless me. I really need your blessing. I've suffered so much in this life. Please, I want you to bless me.
I don't know what you want.
Okay, if it's about money, I will pay. I don't mind selling my father's only land. Biko, no, help me. Help me.
You probably met the wrong person. I don't bless people. It is God who blesses people.
Okay, Ngwazi eh? Or the possible, call him, Biko, call where the so. Iberem denani. Biko, I really need your blessing. I need your blessing. Biko, no.
Please, stay away from me and leave me alone.
Biko, no. Biko, I'm begging you. Biko, no. Please help me. Poverty has dealt with me. I've suffered so much. Please help me. Please. You've been doing it for other people. Please, do it for me now. Please.
If you obstruct my movement any longer, I will scream and you'll be held for kidnapping.
Hey, Ne, please. Ne, please now. Look at me. No money. Why my mates are busy driving Benz?
What's going on with me? Why is everybody in this village insane about me blessing them to the point that the Igwe even wants me to visit him? But I don't have any powers. Why will I have something and don't know about it? Please, my G, save me from this. I really don't understand what's going on.
What kind of a daughter is she? A daughter that cannot help the father. What is that? Where is she? Where are you? Where is your daughter?
What is going on?
Where is your daughter? That's the question. Where is your daughter?
She went to see her friend.
She's not at home. She went to see her friend. When she comes back, tell her, please, she must give me a plausible reason. While I lost the money I showed her today. Of all the bad days, today is worst. The baddest of luck followed me. What would that be when I have a daughter like her at home?
How is that supposed to be her business?
It's her business. She can't be going around blessing people and turning people to millionaires only to spite of the father. I played bet Nigeria and I lost. Why will I lose? Why will I lose? Why? Answer me, why will I lose that kind of money? See, finish this rice early. I'm very hungry.
Did you give me money to prepare the rice?
It doesn't matter. The important thing is that there's rice at home. Prepare the rice and let me eat. And then tell your daughter when she comes back. It's either she makes me win the next one or there won't be peace in this one. Meanwhile, I'm hungry. I'm waiting for the food.
Even my parent thinks I have powers, and they're expecting me to use it and help them.
Then help them.
Oluchi, I just told you now that I can't. I don't know how to help them. But they think I'm lying.
Well, I don't blame them. I would have thought the same, if not that you've never lied to me as a friend. You remember how I passed with flying colors in the last exams? It still baffles me and my parents too, because they know I don't take my studies seriously. But you wished me success, and it came to pass.
Oluchi, I'm thinking of running away from this village.
Why?
To stop this confusion. I mean, even if it's my maternal home, people in this village have been harassing me here and there to bless them. I don't even know what's wrong with everybody. I even met one as I was coming to see you.
Well, running away is not the best, if you ask me. I just think you should stay more indoors and avoid going out alone. I wish I'm you. I want to feel very special.
But I don't want to. I prefer being my normal self and not this.
My sister, I know your husband has picked interest in your daughter's new ability, but please, don't allow him to take control over her. Because if he does, you're not going to get anything from her at all.
She does not know she has powers, neither does she want to acknowledge the powers.
Whether she wants to acknowledge it or not, that is not the issue. See, this is a golden opportunity for you and your family to make money. You have to exert control, total control over her. Do you know that people are even willing to pay to have Isioma talk to them? My dear, be wise.
Better one name. How do I make her understand how important she is now?
Gochi. Do you know that the Igwe is asking to meet with Isioma?
The Igwe?
The Igwe. Hey. Now listen. By the way, where is that daughter of yours?
She went to see her friend.
Friend what? Ugochi, you have to restrict Isioma's movement henceforth. In short, total restriction. My dear, you have to do everything humanly possible to protect her because of her great value. Please.
I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. But you're very wicked and heartless. Have I not suffered enough in this my lifetime? Why do you prefer me suffering? Why are you this wicked on me? Why?
Take it easy on her. Can't you see she's crying?
Tell me, what is difficult in a father asking a beloved daughter to help liberate him from poverty? What is my crime? Other people can be out there praising you, saying good of you. You are blessing them, dashing blessings here and there. Meanwhile, in your family, your parents are suffering. Does it make sense? Does it? You're wicked.
Papa, I can't help you. Because I don't know how to. Papa, you're breaking my heart.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? A daughter telling the father that she cannot help him. So you cannot help me. You are the one breaking my heart. If you don't know, that money I showed you was the only one remaining from the huge amount of money I collected from Enina. And I pleaded with you. I said, bless me, let me have luck. Wish me luck. Let me win this bet in Naija. You refused and I lost all the money. Are you not wicked? Tell me. You're a wicked daughter.
No, don't mind him. Oh, let me take you inside.
That's what you tell me. Like mother, like daughter, like daughter, like mother. Nonsense people. Eh? See, you stole my destiny. You stole my destiny. Return my destiny to me. You can steal your mother's destiny and dash it to people. My own destiny, no. I can't remain this poor. Return my destiny. You're a wicked girl. How could you take my destiny and be dashing people, turning people to millionaires? Meanwhile, I'm here suffering. Suffering in poverty. What kind of daughter are you?
Odogu, are you scared? Me scared? What for? Ordinarily, I wouldn't be scared of Ndode. Not to talk of when I have support and authority from Igwe. This is the real time for me to show Ndode the real color of my skin. Confirm. Let's go.
Why, gods of my ancestors, why has my only child despised me? Why? Upon all my sufferings and frustrations, none moved her to show me mercy and put a stop to all this nonsense. How do I make this girl help me? How do I make her understand? Oh God. Well, I think it is best I apologize to her and pacify her in any possible way I can. I believe if she's happy with me, she would bless me. Yes. She would bless me. I just have to make her happy.
Nine. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I was actually on my way to see you.
What for? What can I do for you? Are you Jehovah's Witness or tax collector?
Not at all, not at all.
So
I was actually coming to give you this. Jiden.
This. What for?
Open it. Open it and see.
Chiliki, I've never seen this amount of money before. What for?
It's all for you. All for you.
Why?
I want your daughter to wish me luck. I want your daughter to bless me so that I can prosper beyond this level. See, I've suffered so much in this life, and I want her blessing so that I can level up. Let me be like my age mates. Please.
Young man, you surely know how to love your way. How to make a man change his mind into doing what he doesn't want to do. As for me, I've already said it, I don't want my daughter to bless anybody anymore.
Please.
But this kind of gift, I have no choice. My daughter will bless you more and more and more.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. I'm very, very grateful. I'm very grateful. So,
you.
should I follow you to the house?
No. You go and come back later so that I water the ground and make sure that my daughter understands that she's a special candidate.
So
that she can bless you more and more.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So go and come back later.
Okay, I should come back later.
Yeah, later.
Yeah. I'll be looking forward to receive my blessings.
No problem. I'll tell her to bless you more and more and more. You're a personal candidate.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hey! Looks like if you're not wants to see money. See money. No, I can't go out with this money. I'll go and drop it in the house. Hey! Ugochi, where are you? Come. Hey, mama, you know me go? Someone give me this money. I said I will not keep it from you people. Sit down. You know baby, don't give me over there. My family, hi.
So much money.
So much money.
What for?
A certain young man blocked me and said he wants us to plead with our daughter to bless him that is suffering.
To bless him?
To bless him that is suffering. Our daughter to bless him.
Nick, can you hear that?
Ha! My daughter, please don't bother about me again. Bless people like that young man so that they'll come back with so much money. Please. Bless people like that. Hey!
But Papa,
my daughter.
I can't remember selling anything like blessings to people. Please, kindly return the money to whoever you collected it from.
No, that is not possible. I can't do that. More money will come from where the money came from. Is it not to bless him? What will it cost you to bless him? It's just to say the word. And the young man's life will turn around for good. So that much money will come. So much money. My daughter.
Yay! Eh? I'm still surprised and confused over this morning.
Honestly.
I mean, so someone can be this desperate for my daughter's blessing to give you this much?
Oh, change for no. If I change, you go no. Change if go, money will start flowing in a family like that. Money, 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 money. Eh? God has remembered us and turned everything around for good.
Yeah.
Hey,
Even if I have blessings to give out to people, I wouldn't collect money to give it out.
What is he saying? Tell her, warn her not to try me. Let her not try me. If she doesn't bless that young man, I will enter into so much trouble. That young man is coming back here later. Let her try and bless that young man. If she doesn't bless that young man, she will never bless anybody in this village again. Talk to her, don't take that nonsense. Where are you? Where are you?
Yay! Hi! Eh?
What's your problem? Why are you packing like a mad dog in my house? Why are you packing like a mad dog in my house? Which money are you talking about?
You don't have the money.
Which money? Eh?
Anything good.
What is it? What is it?
Our case is tabled at the palace. Igwe is aware of it. And he said I should take anything I like. And I've taken your daughter. If you think I am lying, go to the palace and find it.
It's not true! It's not true! Give my daughter! Go and bring my daughter! I'll keep myself for you now! I'll keep myself for you now! Go and get my daughter back!
Relax yourself, relax yourself. I'll go to the palace and meet with you. I'll bring back her.
You better go and get my daughter! I'll go and bring her back for me!
Let go of me! Leave me now! Oh! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Stop. Listen to me. You now belong to me. Thanks to your father's bad debt. Because I know he will not be paying them soon. So you better get used to here. Because you belong to me!
Never!
No. I don't want to slap this guy. I don't want to. Bring her inside. Bring her inside. Okay. Move on. Come on, move. Come on, bring her inside.
Orobodo genu ntị o. Alụ na-emezi n'obodo anyị. Orobodo. Asịbụnụ genu ntị. Alụ na-emezi n'obodo anyị. Igwe anyị na-akpazi alụ. Our Igwe is committing sacrilege. Our Igwe is committing abomination. Our Igwe is involving himself into slavery. Our Igwe is using human beings as collateral for loan. Has it ever been heard? Igwe has given my daughter as a slave to Enyinna. Elders of our land, Igwe has gone mad. People of our land, Igwe has gone mad. I have to say it. It's my duty to defend, to expose the evils in this community. Abomination. Our king, Igwe has gone mad. Igwe has gone mad. I have to announce it.
Yeah. Where's my child?
Where's our child? Where's my child?
The Igwe has gone mad. But I'll tell him that her mother has gone mad.
Where's his summer?
You can't believe what Igwe said to me. When we got to the palace, Igwe proved to me that we have no Igwe. He said he instructed Enyinna to take whatever that pleases him from our house.
So, is your my daughter is the one that pleases him to take Okuya? Eh? See, you better take yourself to Enyinna now. Let him have you there. Let them release my innocent child for me. Let them release her for me. That girl is too young to go through all what she's going through. In fact, I'm going to the Igwe's palace myself.
Relax yourself. Relax. Say relax. I'm in charge. I'm in control. I have some money. Let me go and get the money that young man brought. I'll take it to Enyinna. I'll give it to him. Let me see if he'll accept it. And then release my daughter I'll not use my daughter as a slave.
Ndudi, do whatever you can to get my daughter back. Oh. I don't want those useless friends to molest my daughter for me. Oh. Hey, Ndudi, go and bring back my daughter. Go and bring my daughter.
I know what to do. To be their funeral. If they try anything on my daughter,
I've taken my own.
I'll deal with them. Any India, I'll deal with any in this town.
Anybody that drink this one without frowning his face is capable of murder.
Obia. Where is my daughter? Where is my daughter? Where is my daughter? Eh? Where is my daughter?
I was even thinking that you will come with some palace guard or even military men. Not knowing that you're coming here with just your common sense.
I hope you did not handle her in any way. I just hope that.
Manundodi, your daughter is safe. You have nothing to worry about. After all, you used to be our friend before you became so uncaring, unreasonable.
Shut up! Just shut up. Who is your friend? Take. Give me my daughter. Let me get out of here.
What is this?
80,000 naira. 80,000.
You have not even up to half of the payment and you're bragging.
That's what I have and that's what I'll pay. I'll pay the rest later.
Listen, you will not see your daughter until you pay in full.
Bam.
Gone are those days that you used to cheat me. Now, I will treat you as your worth.
Full payment.
You are supporting him. Both of you will suffer. See, you are poor already. This time you will die. You are poor. You finish.
Okay.
Let me go.
Full payment.
Who is borrowing from me is calling me poor.
Don't mind it.
So my sister, I still insist that there's no need going to the Igwe. Since he's the one that gave the order. He will only embarrass you and ask his guards to lock you up.
Is it not better he locks me up since he has declared himself a mad king? And let him lock me up.
My dear, I was even surprised when I got this news. I mean, who does that? Any nurse should hold your husband and not your daughter. Unless he has come to realize that Isioma has special gifts.
Wait. Are you saying Enyinya took my daughter because of her abilities?
Ugochi, what else could explain this madness? He's desperate. Of all the things that Enyinya could take from your household, is Isioma, your daughter? He will put his hand and carry. Because he has come to realize that Isioma worth more than you and Ndudi put together.
Hey!
Yes.
I don't know the truth. Enyinya took my daughter. No! Mama.
Knock.
What are you doing in my house like this time? There's nobody in the compound. You're here peeping everywhere. Are you a thief? Are you a rogue? What are you doing here?
Okay. We are not quarreling now. I came as we agreed to meet your daughter and have her bless me.
My daughter is not available.
I don't understand. You asked me to come back and now I'm here. You are telling me your daughter is not available.
Oh, young man. I have enough problem today already. I'm not in the mood. Best you can do for yourself is to get out of this compound. Please.
Wait. Are you trying to trick me of my money or what? You know what? Hold your blessings. Let me have my money.
Which money are you talking about now?
Since you don't want me to see your daughter, let me have my money. Give me my money.
Which money? Did you give him any money?
Please.
Did you sign any contract?
Don't get me angry. I'm just respecting you because of your
Listen. I don't understand why you're holding my trouser. What is it after all?
What do you mean by that? Give me my money.
You are my compound and you're grabbing me. Okay, grab me now. Let me sit down. It's my compound after all.
Give me.
Why are you behaving like
Give me back my money. Give me back my money.
Did you sign any contract?
If you don't want me to see your daughter, give me back my money. Don't get me angry.
Did you sign any contract? Do you have any evidence that you gave me money?
What? Okay, you want evidence? You want evidence?
Enyinya, give me back my daughter, Enyinya. Enyinya.
Hold it down. How do you think you're going to?
I say hold it down. I need to see my daughter. She needs to eat. I need to see my daughter.
What do you think you're going to? I have already fed her, and she enjoyed her meal.
I don't believe you because my daughter doesn't eat outside the house. I am here to take her home.
You are not taking her to any place. He told you that we fed her and she's not complaining. Yet you want to take her. Okay, you want to take her. Where's the money?
Enyinya, please, I am here to surrender myself to you. Please do with me whatever that pleases you. Please just let my daughter go. Please.
Do with you? What? Woman, you're a finished woman. You're useless. We don't need you. I don't need you for anything. What is it?
Useless.
Finished.
My money is more important to me.
Okay. I now know. I know why you're keeping my daughter hostage. It is because of the power she possesses. Is it not better you plead with her and she will give you her blessings? Is it not better than keeping her hostage with you here?
Okay, that's just one of the reasons. Another reason is that we have entered Vision 2020. Wow. This Vision 2020 is 20,000 for 20 seconds.
2020.
You want to see her? You pay 20,000 naira and see her just for 20 seconds. And it starts with you.
That will never happen. If you don't release my daughter right now, Obinigwe will strike you dead.
Your Obinigwe is welcome. I know you're on a bank.
Oh my God, yeah, Obinigwe woman.
Hey, Kano. Sheba. Also Obinigwe.
Again, what happened?
Accident.
Accident. Look, if you're planning to die by accident, just go and bring back my daughter first before you die.
You want me to die?
Of what use are you to me in this house? Eh? Our only daughter is held captive by your stupid friends. Eh? Since I knew you, since I met you in this life, I have never seen you with any reasonable friend.
Woman, but how am I supposed to know that Engineer is this?
How is Engineer supposed to know that he made a bad friend in you?
Which side are you?
How?
Which side are you?
An irresponsible friend. Ndudi, go and bring back my child. Go and bring back my daughter. Hey, Ndudi, go and bring back my child.
I'm in pains. I'm in pains from the bully I had. Accident that I got. Please.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew that somebody did this to you. Probably one of the person you're owing. Yes. Better go and bring back my daughter for me. You are not stepping your foot into this house. Oh, go and bring back my child for me, Ndudi.
You mean I should leave the house?
Leave the house. Leave the house. I don't want to see you. I don't want to see you. I don't need you. I need my child.
Let me go.
Go. This is the way. Follow here. Don't go inside. Go and bring back my child for me. Ndodi.
Ozugo, so that you will not fall sick. Ozugo, so that you will not fall sick. Makanyagi. At least thank God that you know who is with your daughter. And you can easily trace him.
I want my daughter. I want my daughter. I know who is with my daughter. But see, he doesn't want to give me back my daughter because my useless husband has refused to go and pay up his debt. They go do no.
How much is the money?
I don't know. I don't even know how much. But the money is so much. Not even a penny. I did not benefit from it. From the money he collected from people, I did not benefit anything from it. I am the one suffering now. I am not the one suffering. They took away my daughter.
It's okay. Calm down. It's okay.
Hey.
Hi. This is so sad. Very sad. You know I'm yet to get the money that I sold from the land. The 3 million. They've not given it to me. They said I have to open a bank account. Get a BVN and register NIN. So many documents to sign before I can touch the money. But don't worry. As soon as I lay my hands on that money, I'll find a way to help in settling your husband's status. You know, go. It's okay.
Okay, go. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You don't have to thank me.
I didn't even have to thank you.
Stop. You don't need to thank me.
Hey.
What can't I do for you? Knowing fully well that I am who I am today because of your daughter. Obinigwe will bring back your daughter for you. Inugo, be strong. Be strong. So that you will not fall sick. Bikono. It's okay.
Strong.
She's my only child, though. The only thing that I have. Hey!
Will you stop that? Stop it! Take and eat.
I don't want to eat.
You have to eat. You've not taken anything since you came here.
I want to go home. I want to go home to my parents. Why are you keeping me here?
Let me have the mangoes if she doesn't want to eat. You know I lack vitamin C now. Eh?
Okay, take it.
Can you just let me go?
But you know I can't. Your father is owing me huge amount of money and you know it.
But I'm not my father.
But you are his daughter. Keeping you here will make him bring my money for me. Fast.
Okay. What should I do for you to let me go?
Brilliant question. Excellent question. You don't know how long I've waited for you to ask me this simple question. Then, all I want is for you to wish me good luck. Because I have a crude oil extraction business that I want to embark on. I need you to wish me good luck.
But that's illegal.
I know it is illegal, but it will fetch me a lot of money. It will make me rich. It will make me a millionaire.
Is that all?
That's all.
Okay, fine. Good luck.
I've got it. Silas, I got it. Now I can embark on this journey. Because I know that I know that it's going to be successful. It is very obvious that I will succeed in this business. I can see that already. But what next? Sharing my money with that junkie, Silas. Mbano. I've come a long way in this life not sharing anything with anybody. I want the money and all of it. I want everything. In fact, I am now returning that girl to her father. She'll stay here and give me all the good luck that I need in life. She will be my money-making machine. And even if her father comes for her, I'll give him more money to calm down. I can even marry the girl. You know? Yes, I know she is little, but I can still marry her and wait for her to be ripe enough to have children for me. Who says money isn't good? But Silas is standing in my way. Silas is in my way.
Oh. I'll go. You remember the guard he came yesterday? That Igwe wants us to bring that girl to the palace today to wish him well.
Forget that old man. Silas. That girl is not living anywhere. She's not leaving this house.
Yeah, I agree.
She is staying here until we are done making our millions.
Staying here forever.
In fact, I am not even going anywhere again.
Let's go. I got tears entering. One matter. These people want to call us over
this thing. Yeah.
Mama, good morning. What am I hearing?
They took my childhood. They took his mama.
Mama, please, calm down. has been the most peaceful person I know. Who would want to hurt her?
He's a father's friend, oh, Naya. He took my child and he has refused to let her go. Hey!
You have to calm down. Oh, I know Bunigwe will not let anything happen to her. Take it easy. This is so sad. My best friend.
Okay. Yes. Hurry up now, hurry up. Don't waste too much time. Come to that Ukumango, yeah. I need to transport this package from here. Yes. No, it's all about money now. How could the highest bidder? I don't understand this, my partner. The way things are going. Let me take her to another place so that I can make my own money. Oh, no.
Please, don't kill me. Don't kill me. My daughter, you're here.
Where do you think you're going to? Where? Huh?
Please, don't hurt my parents. I beg of you.
What nonsense are you talking about? What?
Please, just let me go.
Who? You wanted to escape? Is that what you wanted to do? I see. Just this little opportunity that I gave to you. You wanted to jeopardize all my plans. All my opportunity of making millions. I see. So if I weren't here, you would have run away. Huh? Oh! You know what? You're not stepping any inch away from me again. I'll put you in chains. I will put you in chains. Oh, yeah.
Please, I don't want to escape. Please, please, I don't want to escape.
Ndude, you know I am not supposed to stand here having this conversation with you because you still owe me money.
After I know but.
There is no but, Ndude. There is no but. I am only here because your daughter's magic worked. She wished me well and now my business has kicked off.
You see? She can even do more if you decide to help me.
Ndude, I will suggest you take that matter to Aluciane.
What?
Yes, it's only Aluciane that can persuade Naya to let go of your daughter, not me.
Oh, wicked. How do you suggest this? That I take such a case to Aluciane, a dangerous deity? And you know that I'm still owing in here. Aluciane will judge against me, not against him.
Oh, huh? Oh, the sad truth it is. But I'm out of options. Come to think of it, Ndude. Why would you be going around the village borrowing money from one person to another like that? You know, see,
I was hoping you would help me give me some money from the blessings you got from my daughter. Please.
Me? Sorry. You are heartless. You are heartless. I just started gathering money together, trying to rebuild my life, which you tried to destroy. And you're asking me to give you back when I'm not out from the one I gave you first. You are heartless, oh.
No problem. In that case, I'll ask my daughter to withdraw her blessings.
The day you're a very stupid man. You know your daughter don't even listen to you. She don't trust you. She can't even accept anything you tell her to do. Go ahead and tell her. Stay here.
She will trust me this time. She will withdraw that blessing. Nonsense. I won't come to beg again.
How dare you? How dare you? How dare you wish me bad luck? How dare you? How dare you wish me bad luck? So much bad luck that I lost all the money I invested in the oil business. Why?
But I didn't wish you bad luck.
No, you lie. You lie. Every other person you wished good luck in this village succeeded. But now you want to play smart one on me. I'll kill you. I'll kill you.
Please.
Please what? I'm giving you just 48 hours. 48 hours, let something good start happening in my life. If not, I'll start killing your family members. First, your father. Second, your mother. Then I will kill you. God, you just want me to lose everything. You've been giving fortune to people. Now it's my turn and I will... Wish me good luck. Be fast with whatever thing you're doing.
Thank you, sir.
The whole villagers know that you are with me. Even Bigwe knows about me. So, your break time is over. I want you to go inside and stay. Come with me. Come. I am not handing this girl to the Igwe. Mba, that won't happen. Once she gets to the palace, I won't have access to her anymore. I just pray I succeed in my business this time around. And once the money enters into my hand, I will sneak out of this village with her to a very far distance. Yeah. Hello. Agwatu. How far? Has it clicked? What? Huh? No. No. I want to know. No. I want to know. You've been in this business for years and you've been so successful in it. That's why I came to you. So why is it that now that I want to join, you're telling me stories? No. It has to work. It has to work. Just Isioma.
What do you want?
Where is your husband?
He doesn't live here anymore.
You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking?
You think I'm joking too? I sent him away only to return with my daughter, or he remains wherever he is.
You pushed me.
I will push you again.
You pushed me.
I will push you again.
Okay. When he comes back, tell him I came and I need to see him urgently.
Does that have to do with my daughter? What have you done to my daughter?
Just relay my message to him. That is if he still loves his child.
Listen, let me tell you. The whole villagers know that you are with my daughter. And if anything should happen to my daughter, you and Igwe will have me to contend with. Stupid man. Fool. Take. Oh my God.
Isioma, why? Why? Isioma, just this one thing that I ask of you. One thing. Bless me. That's all I ask of you. that you don't want to do it. Isioma, why?
Believe me, sir. I sincerely wished you well from the bottom of my heart.
No, you didn't. Because if you did, I wouldn't have failed so many times. Not just once, but twice. Isioma, why?
I don't know.
You need to know. Isioma, you need to know. Let me remind you, your parents' lives depend on this.
Please, don't hurt my parents. I beg of you.
Then do what I ask of you. Bless me. What is so difficult in doing that? What?
Believe me, sir, I don't know how to use the powers you think I have. I don't have any powers. Please, let me go. Just let me go.
Isioma, you're breaking my heart. You're breaking my heart. Breaking my heart. Take it.
I don't understand.
I want you to take it, eat it, enjoy yourself. I want you to calm down and be free with me. But first, let me apologize. I am so sorry for the way I have maltreated you. I am so sorry. Deeply sorry from the bottom of my heart. I am ready to make amends. I need you to help me.
Thank you, sir. But can I go home now?
Yes, you can. You have to yield your freedom. You have to give me what I want. Very simple.
But, sir,
I know you can do it. You can. Okay. I want you to be more relaxed with me. I promise you, you will go. But then, let us reason. I have a check of 2 million naira. I want to go to the bank to cash it. But I know the check will bounce on me. I also know that you have the power to bless me. And when I go to make purchase with this check, it wouldn't bounce on me. I know you can do it.
Sir.
I know you can do it. Help me.
Why not try something legitimate? I mean, you're still young and can work to earn a genuine living. Not seeking the fast way.
Fast way? That is the only way. That is the only way in a country like ours. I need that money. I need that money and I must get it. Will you help me? Will you help me?
I'm sorry.
Oh, Isioma. Isioma, you broke my heart. You broke my heart. Yeah, you broke my heart, Isioma. Isioma. Since you don't want to stay inside, come and stay here. Sit. Gently, give me your hand if you don't want me to be rough for you. Bring your hand. If you don't keep quiet, I will tie it tighter. If you don't want to stay outside, you don't want to stay inside. This is it. You don't want to stay inside. To stay outside. You will stay one place. Listen, I am Don't even think that I am done with you. I am not done with you. You must bless me. And this time, it has to be real. So I know if it's fake, it won't work. Bless me. You won't bless me, you are blessing others. Ndodi. Ndodi. Oh. It wastes my money.
The only luck you have is that I can beat you. Assuming I'm of your age, I would have fought you down. Now, why are you this wicked? What have I done wrong? When has it become a crime for a friend to lend money to a friend? You're my friend. Remember, we used to drink, we used to do everything together. But look at me, washing my face on the road, washing my legs on the road because I can't go back to my house. Because of you. For days I've not slept on bed because of you. What have I done wrong? Tell me so that I apologize. Tell me. Okay, I agree. I've wronged you. Please, whatever I've done wrong, forgive me. Just allow me see my daughter. I'll take her home so that I can live in peace. Sleep and close my eyes in peace. Please, do it for me.
You're hurting me, please stop.
I know. I want to save you. You don't belong here. You must been crying since. You need to go home.
If I go back home, that man will come and find me. And he might hurt my parents when they are trying to stop him. Igwe has a hand in this.
Then what do you do? I need to save you.
I know, but the only way you can do that is by listening to me.
Listening to you? I'm listening.
How fast can you get to your father?
My father?
Yes. You can't go to the police station alone.
You want to involve the police in this?
Yes, but I need your father to do that. He needs to report a murder case.
Murder?
You can never live in peace. Because there's no peace for the wicked. You are a wicked man. Ndodi, I need to see you.
Is that something is wrong with you, you're sick or you're mentally deranged? I don't understand. I am standing before you and you're telling me that you want to see me. How else do you want to see me? How else? Are you the one drunk or am I drunk? Eh?
I need to see you now in my house.
Your house?
Yes.
Please, if it's your house, I'll follow you immediately. At least that will afford me the opportunity to see my daughter and take her home so that I too can sleep in peace. Please, let's go to your house. If it's your house, I'll go with you.
Don't drag me. You're owing me and you're still dragging me.
Let's go now. Let's hurry now. Let's hurry to your house. Just understand with me. I will settle everything.
There's nothing to understand.
I just want you to understand. I'm expecting some money. Once the money comes, I'll pay you.
For how long? Yeah? For how long? For how long have you been expecting?
Look at my daughter. Look at my daughter.
Who is your daughter?
What is that?
Who is your daughter?
Look at my daughter. What's your problem? What's your problem? What's your problem?
My problem is that she doesn't want to bless me.
I don't understand how.
Severally, I have tried for your daughter to bless me, which she did. But the problem is that each time I go out for business, all I got was bad luck. No, it's not a laughing matter. It's not a laughing matter. It's a serious matter.
Oh, have you ever asked yourself why me, the father, have not been blessed? Is she not my daughter? She can only bless you if she wants to bless you. No matter how you persuade her, no matter how you force her, no. She can turn your fortunes around if she wants to, not by force.
No. I don't believe that nonsense. She must bless me.
No, don't go there. Not must. Don't use the word must. By the way, where is that your foolish, stupid friend, Silas? I've not seen him in days.
No. That is not my problem. That is... You know I'm a man of my word. I said your daughter must bless me, and she must.
I said you don't go there. Don't go there. Don't threaten my daughter. Don't try to harm my daughter. Take your time. Eh? Take your time. See my daughter. Don't try with my daughter.
Anyways, I have the key. Let me go get the key.
My daughter, don't cry. Please don't cry. Don't cry. Your father said, don't worry. I will see what I can do. I'll bring you out of this. Don't worry. I'll talk with him. I'll talk with him. It's all my fault. Just like you, please. What do I do? Mom, I'm on my way to the house. Good thing I met you here. I have good news for you.
Where is my daughter?
First listen to the good news now. Your daughter, I will tell you about your daughter.
There is no better news than the sight of my daughter. Where is she? Where is my daughter?
Listen, the Igwe has mistakenly exposed his evil agenda before his council of elders when he mentioned his agreement with Enyinya, who has refused to release our daughter to him.
How does that bring back my daughter?
The elders now know. They condemned the Igwe's action and told him he has no right, absolutely no right to abduct somebody's daughter. Our daughter will soon come back.
Until she's freed, I don't want to see you close to me or to our house.
I think you should be happy, at least.
Stupid man.
Let me come home now and take my bet. Eh? Why are you treating me like this?
What are you doing?
No.
Mama Ogini.
What?
I was sent by Isioma. She gave me a message for my father, but I couldn't read my father. So I came to you.
What is the message about?
She wants you to go to the police.
But I told her police cannot handle this case. That it's only the Igwe can. I told her already.
I know, but she wants you to report a murder case.
Murder case?
Where is this one running to?
Help me. I need you to help me. Please.
Hey, stand up and let me tell you. The Igwe and policemen are everywhere looking for you. You better go surrender yourself to them now that you still can.
Police?
Yes.
I don't want to go to prison. Even the villagers. I don't want them to see me, please. I beg, please.
So you want to leave? Oh, go ahead and run. The roads are clear until you get to the outskirts of our village. Only then you will know that the police are not your friends. The whole villagers know. Everybody knows she's shameless murderer. Look at you. Oh, you are running. Hey, Naya, you are. Vigilante, he went this way.
Oh, I'm so happy. Hey, I'm so happy to see you back. Eh? Hey, oh. Nemo, your friend is back. Oh, your friend is back. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Hey.
I'm happy to see you back. Oh, you must be hungry.
Friend got you something.
Here's mango.
Thank you.
My hands are dirty. Can I have water, please?
Yes, there is water at the backyard. You can go and get her water while I get you something to eat. Oh, hey, Mwamo, you're welcome. Oh, Hey! Hope you're enjoying the food. Doesn't Engineer feed you at all? Eh? That evil man. Does he give you food?
Where are my people? Ah, you are here.
You're welcome.
Hey, I'm so tired. I'm just coming from the police station, where I made sure I locked up Enina.
Good.
We'll be facing the law. I'll make sure I imprison him.
Very good.
He's a wicked man. For doing this to you.
Thank you. Wicked
Papa,
man.
I'm so glad he did not hurt any of you.
I should be the glad one here. Eh? That he spared your life after killing his friend. Yeah.
He's so filled with evil and greed.
Oh. Honestly, I feel so ashamed being a friend to that kind of person. That kind of character. Evil man. Dirty, wicked, everything combined. For doing that to you, I must spare him.
Papa, it's okay. I've already forgiven you.
My daughter, thank you. Thank you. Hey, so what did the people prepare? G, because I got it now for, or should I eat from here?
No, Papa. Go and bathe before you eat from me.
She said go and bathe.
Okay, ma. I will obey. Bah!
Oh. You already finished the food?
I have finished it. Thank
Yeah,
you
I
very
brought you
much.
mango.
Okay. My Oma.
What does the Igwe want from us this time?
I was surprised when I got to the palace. The Igwe started apologizing to me.
He apologized?
Apologized to me before his council of elders. He was apologizing. I'm so surprised. Igwe.
Hey! Eh?
And he made a promise that no member of this village will ever disturb our daughter again for blessings. Yeah. Our daughter doesn't have powers. Even if she has, the powers is for the immediate family. And those she wants to bless, not for everybody.
At least I am relieved with this now. Because all this madness of blessing and whatever has to be put to stop.
At least for once.
That's okay.
Our daughter is free, like every other freeborn of this village. Biko, Barum. Barum, Biko. Anyama. Wow. I promise you, I will never drink again. Never. Stopped.
I'm not asking you not to drink, eh? Why don't you bring the drink home instead of drinking at the village bar? Bring it home, eh? At least with that, if you cultivate the habit of drinking at home, it's going to control your alcohol intake. Please.
My dear, I've made a promise to myself, a promise to my daughter, a promise to everyone home and abroad. I will never drink again. Taste anything alcohol. God, hear me.
Are you sure?
It's a promise I made to myself.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Oh, I know, you forgave me everything. Not minding the nonsense behavior, all the things I was doing. You forgave me. I'm still so strong.
You're
as
my
a wife.
husband now.
Oh, I will preach you anywhere I go. I'll tell people to marry a woman that is like you.
Thank you.
You're sleeping.
No, good morning.
How was the night?
Fine. Though I had terrible dreams of your friends, Aiden and Silas, trying to hurt me again before I woke up.
Don't be afraid, don't be scared. They are far away, they can't harm you, they can't hurt you. It's okay. Just relax yourself.
But Papa, I'm scared. I'm scared of going out alone. I feel like something bad might happen. I don't want to get kidnapped again.
I understand how you feel. It's normal to be scared after what we went through. But nothing will happen to you. The Igwe has given us his word. He has promised. So I believe him. No evil shall come to you. Okay? Have you eaten?
No, not yet. I want to finish whipping before I eat.
Good. What of your mother?
She went to the farm.
Ah, okay, fine. It's alright, continue. Please, I forgot. About what I asked you for, please. Don't say no, just do it for me. Please.
About what?
About blessing me. You know I'm not doing anything now. I'm like a stranded man. I don't have any future. Just help me turn my fortune around. I know you can do it, my daughter. I know you can do it. Just do it for your father. Don't say no to me, please. Thank you.
You mean he's still disturbing you about that?
Ma, please reduce your voice.
Why will he be disturbing you that just came back from an ordeal with the devil? Where's your father now?
He's inside, he's sleeping.
He's sleeping? Eh? When he wakes up, I will seriously fall out with him. Why will he ask you for blessings?
Mama, please, calm down. Please, can you listen to me?
I'm sorry.
Papa needs help, and I know that. But I don't know how to help him. I've genuinely wished him well several times, but nothing happened.
That is because he's lazy and he wants things in the fast way. Eh?
He needs encouragement and support as he returns back to his business.
I don't understand the nonsense you people are talking. I don't know. The business is dead and it's dead. The business is not working. Don't you know? Don't you know that it's not working? Each time you people are insisting on shoemaking. How? The business is dead. Accept it like that.
Papa, we know. But you can't stay idle and expect miracle to happen.
There are a lot of good businesses out there. Businesses that can give me big money, heavy money. Why are you insisting on shoemaking business? All I need is your blessing. Bless me, simple. Why is it difficult on you? Why can't you bless me? Why? Bless me, that's what I want from you.
Papa, I've told you that I don't have powers. All powers belong to Obinigwe.
Nani, I think I understand what our daughter is trying to say. She's trying to tell you to start thinking towards the direction of your former business. You are very good at that shoemaking business.
What are you talking about? Shoemaking business? Will I start competing with the Aboki people? Will I start competing with them to shine shoe, to sew shoe? Is that what I'm going to do? They've taken over the business and they've taken over the business. There's no future in that business. Can't you understand? What do you want me to do?
I know, but
there's no but there. If she wants to bless me, let her bless me. If she doesn't want to bless me, let her leave it. Let me continue suffering now. Am I the only person? I will not die. If you don't want to bless me, hold your blessing. What nonsense are you people talking about? You can't bless your father, but you're blessing others. You can't have a nata. Also, I'm going to go Mango, Gadindo, Shoemaker, my other shoemaker. Ne, Jello shoemaker.
I will send this one some money to get the shop stand. And make sure this front is plastered tomorrow morning. First thing in the morning. Go back to work, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah. Ndode. See, Ndode, like I was saying, I really don't think there is any business you can venture into without capital.
That's why I've come to your site to see if you can help.
And Ndode, don't even go there. Ndode, even if you have charm, this time I refuse to let it work on me. You can imagine the last time I gave you money, see how it ended.
Yeah, but I paid you back, didn't I?
Oh, with money you collected from some other person, robbing Peter to pay Paul. But
no, that doesn't concern you. The important thing is that I paid you back. I paid back.
But Ndode, let me ask, why can't you just go back to your shoemaking business? I mean, you already have the materials needed for this thing. The way you left your store, it's been really, really long. I'll go back, at least from there you can be seeing small things to feed. Instead of going around the village begging.
Afam, you know how it is. How much is in shoemaking business? Before this time, I was the only person in the village. At least I make little money. But now the big people have bastardized the whole thing. They spoil everything in the business. Even if I'm ready to work for 10 naira, they're ready to work for 2 naira or even for free.
Do something. From there, you'll be getting little by little. Let me tell you, you can't get help from anybody in this village. Because as far as money is concerned, you, Ndudi, and money, everybody know that one for sure. No one can give you money.
Even if they can't give me money, at least you can give me as my friend. Okay, even the shoe making business. Let me go back to it, but I need little money. Give it to me.
Good. That's a brilliant idea, but I can't do it right now. As you can see how many bags of cement there. There are things they need to do here. You overheard when I was telling him that they should plaster this place tomorrow. All these things cost money. I don't have spare.
I understand. Even if it's money for 1 bag of cement, I'll manage.
Ndudi, money for 1 bag of cement is enough to fix this door. Just think of it that way. It's not as if I'm being wicked. After all, I have given you money before. Okwaya, Ndudi, don't worry.
You can still help me.
Ndudi, please, don't go there. Don't go there, please. Just don't go there. Let me go back to my business place. It's not as if I don't want to help you, like I said. But it's still like that. Don't just...
You know our daughter is right, but you just don't want to admit it.
I wanted something better.
I understand. But you just have to listen to her and go back to that thing you're good at doing. I know Benigwe will not leave you. He will not abandon us. Please.
Okay. I have failed you 1,000,000 times as a husband and as a father. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
You have apologized already, and I understand. Oh, don't worry. Ubinigwe will not fail us. I still believe in you.
Thank you.
Don't worry. It will be fine, okay?
Again, Ebuji, he didn't call me to do it for you. As a matter of fact, I've made up my mind to go back to that my shoemaking business.
Oh.
As a matter of fact, I'm going to the shop from here to open it up for business.
That's nice. You made the right decision. That's good.
Papa, you did the right thing this time around, and I wish you success.
Thank you. So I'll be on my way. I'll see you people when I come back in the evening.
It's all right. I'm going to bring you food at the shop.
Oh, thank
you. Inugo?
Thank you. Okay, I'll see you people when I come back.
It's all right.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Hey! I just pray he succeeds.
I pray so too, Mama. Let Obinigwe's will be done.
Oh, Obinigwe, let your will be done. Hey!
I saw your father at the shop, so he has gone back to his business.
Yes, my dear. After several petitions from me and my mother.
At least, he now looks responsible. I pray he succeeds this time around.
I pray so, my dear. Though the business looks like it's phased out, but I trust Obinigwe. He will always help us out.
Well, you're right. At least what he's doing now is better than doing nothing and always sleeping at the village bar.
Exactly. Tell me, did you see any customers when you passed the shop?
I don't think so. I don't really remember because I was in a hurry. Maybe you should. Papa, good evening.
Ma'am, good evening, sir.
This is exactly 1 month I went back to this business. I told you people, but you won't believe me. 1 month, no customer, nothing. Huh.
Papa, please calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down again, no. You just don't try to tell me to calm down again. Why has Obinigwe stopped answering your prayer? Why?
I understand your frustration. And I'm surprised as well. I thought by now I would have had something better doing at the shop.
Thought? That's the thought. I told you people that this business is dead. That shoemaking business is dead. And you people will not believe me. Look at it. No, not even a single slippers. Not even one slippers. I didn't find anybody to do for. I told you people that the business is dead. Now I've wasted 1 month doing nothing. Just staying in the shop. Is that what you people plan for me?
I wish I know what to do. Everything is in Obinigwe's hands, not mine.
You started again. You started again. I asked you to bless me. Who is this?
Pick your phone.
Yes, who are you? Yeah, what is it? Yes. At the shop. Who are they? Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Who is that?
It's Sebastian. He said some people are there at the shop waiting for me. Let me go and see them.
Are you sure it's not the people you owe?
No, I don't think so. But let me go and see them and know what they're looking for.
Be careful, oh. Go to Mama Nkechi's place. Tell her to give you.
Let me just see this one. Listen. Good evening. Where is your husband?
Sebastian, is everything alright?
Where is he? I called him before. I told him that someone is at the shop.
He already left for the shop.
Hey. Maybe we missed him on our way. Though I told the neighbors that once he gets to the shop, that they should call me. Someone wants to see him.
Who is he? Who is the person?
Hey. That's the problem. I don't know him.
You don't know? And you brought a stranger to the house? What if he's a kidnapper or something?
I'm harmless. I'm just here to see your husband.
Oh, here he is.
Sebastian.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Welcome, sir. Sebastian, what happened? Just from the shop, they told me you came with someone looking for me. Who is the person?
Oh, is it the one I was waiting for? Okay. Nice meeting you.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. My name is Dubem.
Dubem.
Yes, someone referred me to you.
You're welcome to my house.
A friend. I was telling him about the school I just opened for my wife, and I'll be needing supplies of school uniforms and shoes. So he told me you made a good quality shoe for him, that you would be the right man to make the number of shoes I'll be needing with quality. I'm here to offer you the contract.
Sorry, sir. Please.
One more thing. If you do it well, I'll connect you to other schools in Abuja.
Hey! Abuja!
Yeah.
Hey!
No, wait. I didn't hear you well. Are you trying to tease me?
Do it and thank me later. I'm serious. Very, very serious.
For real?
Yes.
Hey! My daughter.
I told you to be patient, Papa. Obinigwe never disappoints, and he's never late with his blessings. I'm so happy for you, Papa.
Hey. So you turned my fortunes around, from misfortune to fortune, my daughter. Hey! My wife. Oh! Oh! Obinigwe back again.
Oh!
You turned my fortunes around. Hey!